Design and verification of 4x4 Wallace Tree Multiplier. Abstract. This paper presents the design and verification of a 4x4 Wallace Tree Multiplier, which efficiently performs multiplication by employing a tree structure to reduce the number of partial products and carry propagation delays. Document. This abstract includes an overview of the project, highlighting the keywords, existing methods, and their drawbacks. It explains the proposed method in detail, including a step-by-step implementation block diagram. The advantages and applications of the proposed method are discussed, along with the software and hardware requirements. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. Open 𝗙ecie𝗿 𝗣𝗍𝗶𝗀𝗁 software. Create a new project by selecting File, New Project. Follow the wizard to name your project and specify the project location. Add Verilog source files. Add the Verilog HDL files for the project_1. Ensure the files are correctly included in the project. Synthesize the design. Click on Synthesis in the Flow Navigator. Check for any errors and ensure the design is synthesized successfully. Implement the design. Click on Implementation in the Flow Navigator. Follow through with the implementation process, ensuring there are no errors. Run simulation. Open the Simulation tab and run the behavioral simulation to verify the functionality. Observe the waveform and ensure the Wallace Tree Multiplier for 4x4 bits are functioning as expected. Generate bitstream. Once the design is verified, generate the bitstream file for FPGA programming. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.